Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna go to TjMaxx and get some fall decor for my apartment here. And my husband's gonna come too, so that's pretty fun. So we're just gonna have a shop with me. It's gonna be fun.
It's Nikki, it's true. We're on our way to TjMaxx, you and me.
And them.
And these
don't
two.
wanna, we're blurred.
They didn't sign the disclosure.
I sure didn't. So if I end up on this channel,
She don't sue me.
I'm gonna take everything.
Oh no, not everything.
Not my cat.
Not
That's
our cat.
disrespectful.
When we go do the intro.
I did the intro.
Oh, okay.
Shut a slider. She trying to get this hard.
And I'm not
I
don't really want no friends.
Me and Nikki get that right through the jump.
Oh, this is cute. How much is this? Oh, it's $16.99, bitch. That's expensive. That's a lot. This was $24.99.
She is short.
Okay, I might get a thumbnail out of this. Oh, this is only $10.
Well, I can count to 10. Count those blessings.
You can put these in a bowl. It's a centerpiece.
It would be great. Everybody would go, ooh, ah,
Right.
little pumpkins. So festive. Wow, look at all this. I'm liking the turkey. Mr. Turkey.
I do not like the turkey.
How?
Is it the centerpiece?
I love that centerpiece, actually. It's loud, in your face, and says,
You don't
hey,
even
look at
know.
me. What's
Such
this
a
video
shopping.
going to be called? The pickiest shopper ever.
These are only $3.99. So these are cute. You can get a couple of these. A big one too.
Is that a giant onion?
No, it's a pumpkin. See, that's what I'm saying.
No, the white
The
one.
white one. It's a giant onion.
It's a giant onion.
Oh, nice. You know what? This is the same. This is cheaper than the little pumpkins for a centerpiece.
Ooh.
So I'm just gonna get this one. That are cheaper. These are only $6.99 compared to the ones that are like $10.99, and they're actually colorful. So cute. Finally, an orange pumpkin.
It only took us over 5 minutes. She's hypnotized.
So soft.
Sure is a lot.
Grateful.
How much it is? I'm
This is
surprised.
$24.99. Like, nah, I ain't trying to get that much. Like, hey, I'm going to Target.
I just flipped the switch.
Yes,
Hey, we're at Target now,
every couple's favorite
which
shopping.
we probably should have started off here, honestly.
Yeah, we would have saved $70.
This is what I get for trying to follow a trend, because low-key Target rules.
better. Just better.
honestly.
Like,
Not
is
sponsored.
there anything that's better than Target?
No, Target.
Exactly.
Oh, I can smell the popcorn from here. Can you smell that?
Absolutely.
Brandon, do you smell popcorn?
Oh no, I smell it now. I smell it. Oh shit. You know what you gotta do.
I usually get this Frappuccino from Starbucks. Pumpkin spice right now. See, this is more like it. This is more affordable.
Boo. You're gonna be shocked at how
Shook.
cheap, low prices.
Look like our cat.
I don't think so.
Oh, they're
wreath.
kind of bringing burgundy into like fall now.
It's a beautiful color. This gold.
It's pretty tiny though for $10. Come again.
Is it actual gold? Oh no, it's just spray painted. All right, here we are at these lovely candles.
These are cute. I feel like maybe one. Fresh pumpkin. Oh my god, this actually smells really good. This place. But like, you need a candle holder for this, right? Because you can't just burn wax.
I don't know. Let's see.
I thought you
I mean,
got to put it in a holder, right?
Sure, but we have candle holders, right?
Like, not this size. We don't have candle holders this size, but I don't really know. What's this one? This one's for $4.29. These little tiny ones.
Mm.
Oh, this is cute. This is like a little set. Oh, you know what? I love this. Should we just do something? Should we do this for $14.99? Or do you like the single?
I like the set actually.
Do you like the
It's a
single
nice
cancel?
centerpiece.
Yeah,
Don't
we can
you
put it
agree?
right in front of our TV, like right in front of the Wii, actually.
Yeah, it's great.
Perfect. I'm working my way through so weird.
You'll get through it.
I just wanted to see the blue pumpkins.
That's not very natural. I don't think that would fit in well with our home.
No, the blue ones. It's brown. We have a brown like TV stand.
Yeah.
Really?
Nah, you just said it yourself. Look at these nice items.
Oh, this is really cool. Let's get this. Definitely.
Show it to the camera.
It's only $5.
Thankful.
So, where can we hang this now?
We could hang it right in our bathroom. You know? You know? Right where
We have
one of
that
our
for
doors
decor
are.
now.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, we're standing this. It's getting too out of hand. We gotta contain the decor. Happy fall. This is cute. It's $5. Should we get this?
Yeah.
You just like agree with? Yeah. Carve this? Oh yeah, it's carvable. That's cool.
Target just seems to go on forever and ever, doesn't it, babe?
That's why we like it.
Exactly. I feel like I could be walking here for 15 minutes and still not find what I'm looking for. Because there's so much stuff.
You can find everything else though.
Exactly.
Oh, we can put this in the kitchen though. Like, which one you want?
The pumpkin one's nice. The gather is good. But for real, I'm kind of feeling this.
That's not even the theme.
No, but it's good all year round. Home sweet home. Okay. Classic.
All right, cool. I'm happy. Why don't we have everything together, like in one area for real?
Why not?
I feel like I'm like playing. It's because they want you to shop through the whole store.
So you can get distracted by other things
Pretty
that
much.
you didn't originally come in for.
Like this.
It's so much.
It's not.
No.
We did really good actually, but also they didn't really give me a choice.
What can you say?
Everybody got here before me. I swear.
Yeah, it's only the 8th.
Like it started in August or something.
Damn. They're just getting earlier and earlier.
That's the end. We're leaving. Home we go. Right, babe?
That's right.
Now we can put up all these decorations, and then we're
Oh.
gonna show you guys,
We're
right?
going to do a little time lapse, you know, show us putting
So
up
not
all-
the time lapse.
Exactly.
We're gonna show a time lapse of us putting up the decorations.
Exactly. That's some advanced editing right there.
So stick to the end.